Good morning. This is the weekly rundown for my Algebra 1 group. All right. So I want to thank you guys for all the homework, although we could do a little bit better. I know we had a lot last week. You had 4 assignments this week. You're going to be only having 3. Okay. And I think in the following week, you may have even a little less than that, but we'll get to that week next week. Okay. So thanks for the homework. Some of you guys have done your reflections. Look on your Google Docs for the reflections. The date's been taken off. And what I do is that the date goes here, you give me your reflection, I reflect under it, and then I put the next date under there. So we're having like a running conversation. If I do give you a comment on homework and stuff, just know that I don't usually check it after I'm off my computer for Friday. I was doing check-ins and reflections from about 5 o'clock until 2 o'clock in the morning on Friday. And after 2 o'clock, my back was hurting, so I didn't look at my computer. And I'll be honest, if you left me a message, I haven't looked at it yet. So there you go. All your work this week will be online by Tuesday. You'll have your first video by this afternoon, but you'll have all your work by Tuesday. It's due Friday by 4. So you might be thinking, but we don't have school Friday. No, you don't have school Friday. So if you want to do that and you want to not have school Friday, then get me your stuff by Thursday. I don't really care, but I just want those 3 assignments that you get by this week Friday, and I'll have everything out by Tuesday. So you should have more than enough time. Also, I've had a couple people who have said, I don't know how to do this. I get comments on, I don't know how to do this. I have Google Meets all the time, and I don't see many of you guys. So I can answer your questions, and I can type those up, but they're very difficult. But it's easier in a Google Meet when I can take this thing up and I can like write things down. So you need to meet me. So that brings me to your Google Meet time. We're doing Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday this week. Because we're off Friday, I'm not checking my computer Friday. So please do not think you're going to get anything from me on Friday. We're off. I'm going to get some yard work done, I think. So here we go. Tuesday, if you can see that, Algebra 1, you're at 10 to 10:20. On Wednesday, I have a ton of Google Meets. I won't do much instruction. Algebra 1, you're from 1:20 to 1:40. So for all of you late morning people who can't get up in the morning, you want to get up later in the day. And then Algebra 1, this is my Thursday. Algebra 1, you're going to be from 10:40 to 11 o'clock. All right, so those are my Google Meets. Make sure you meet me then. If it doesn't work for you, we'll make another time for you guys. If you're a night person, every once in a while I could do night, but I'm going to be honest with you. I go to bed. I'm really old. All right. And I will check my email, okay? I'm not going to be sitting by my computer as much as I did last week because my head hurt. So I'm going to try every hour to just check my email. So here is your rundown. Algebra 1, you will have 3 videos. The first one, or possibly 2, might even get posted today. You're going to have homework out of the CPM book. If you do not have your the code and you're not logged in, because you all should have had an online book. But if you don't have that, email me and I will get you that code, okay? But you're going to have 3 videos. 3 assignments. 2 of those assignments are in the ebook. One of them is going to come on a link that you'll get attached to it. Okay, so you might be thinking, okay, that's your week. Who's next to me? Okay, so whenever we went through this whole thing, they're like, you got to have a small circle. So my circle obviously is my mom and my dad, okay, because they're older and I got to take care of them. And then I have my brother and my sister, because they're my brother and my sister. And then my sister's married, so of course her husband. And then they decided to have all these children. So welcome to 2 of the children. Okay. Here we go. Who are you? Taylor. And Taylor, where do you go to school?
Washington Middle School.
Washington Middle School. We got a little middle schooler here. And who are you?
Colton.
And Colton, where do you go to school?
Monroe.
Yes, he's wearing it. Last video we made, he's like, they don't have to tell them. They're going to know I go to Monroe based on what I'm wearing. And I'm going to be honest with you, a lot of you guys wouldn't have even noticed that sweatshirt, right? All right, so with these 2, every class this week, okay, my little circle, we decided that we're going to play a little game, right? Okay, so the first one we did Would You Rather. This time we're going to choose one. You got to choose one, okay? So, did I put this first one on here? Oh, yeah. Okay, so the first one, Bucks or Brewers? Make sure you got to be loud, too. The last one, you're kind of quiet. Bucks or Brewers?
Bucks. Brewers.
Okay. Auntie or Uncle Nick?
Auntie. I know. Auntie.
Really? Uncle Nick's my brother. He never even sees these kids.
But he gets us stuff.
Oh, he gets them stuff because he's got money. Money can't buy you a love, right? I'm here. He's not here. All right. Would you rather be if you had to choose school or a trampoline park?
Trampoline park. Trampoline park.
Thought so. The Gulf Shores or Florida?
Gulf Shores. Gulf Shores.
Okay, that's where they were supposed to go for spring break, but that obviously didn't happen. Cats or dogs?
Dogs. Dogs.
A pool or a lake?
Lake. A lake.
Huh? Why do you like lakes, guys?
Because you can do more stuff in them and you don't have rules.
Great. Yeah, you can do more stuff. There's no rules.
And if
Yeah.
you are cheating,
Yeah, you can also pee in the lake, can't you?
well, you could do that in the pool.
Oh, yeah, but they don't pull everybody out of the lake, do they? Just kidding. I do not pee in lakes. It's disgusting. Salads or macaroni from noodles?
Macaroni from noodles.
A salad or macaroni from noodles, Colton? He doesn't know. You know why? Because this is one of the most difficult ones. He does not eat anything but salads. That's why he's so skinny.
And mac and cheese.
And mac and cheese. He does like mac and cheese. We're having cheap mac and cheese for lunch today. Last one. Chocolate milk or soda?
Chocolate milk. Chocolate milk.
Okay. So there you have it. These are my quarantine buddies for the day. Remember to get all of your stuff in by Thursday at 4. I'll start posting homework starting today, and it should all be in by Tuesday. Have a great week.